Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. The CapSim step-by-step guide and walkthrough for round 3. So you should watch the video to see the details, the guide in round 1, round 2, so now you can start round 3 with the top result. Round 1 and 2 very important, you can get the top sale and top profit like you see on the screen. So please review the other video to check that you can get the top result after 8 rounds, round 1, 2 and 3 for investment, and from round 4 to round 8 we can get the top result as you see on the screen, right? So check the details of the other video for understanding, and now I guide you for round 3 on the decision. Round 3 on the decision I show you now. So for round 3 we just update the product. Remember to check the round 1 and 2 video to see, understand the details. In round 3 we start to update the low-end product. Again, remember, do not copy the number. I show you the example. You can adjust that to match your game, because the number may be different from round to round, from game to game, from student to student. So do not copy the number. You can use the strategy, the overview of the strategy, but numbers may be different. I say it 100 times, right? And now round 3 we developed a new product in performance segments, right? So 13.4. After 13.4, 13.2, 27,000. So that's R&D for round 3. That's R&D for round 3. You can check the product launching date here. It's the right time, right? So we get 3 new products to double the sale and double the profit from next round to lead the game on rounds, right? And now we move to round 3. Round 3 pricing. So basically we reduce the price by 50 cents, but I will explain the reason to you now. Just put the number and then I explain the reason for you, right? 28.5 for the price. Each round we reduce 50 cents to make the product the price more competitiveness, but we also take the price of competitor, right? So new traditional, right? Round 3. Round 3 always have the total market demand recession, so we do not increase too much right here. But round 4 we can start using very strong rise for strong strategy. Now I show you the reason for detail of setting the price. We take the 5 segment here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 pages of the report. So you will see the traditional segment here, right? You will see that traditional segment here, 30% of market share, the range of the price 29, right? The range of the price 29. So you have the best product here, even you have higher price, right? So most optimal product is more important than lowest price. And the second segment, low end, 38%, very big. We still have the top sale, top profit here, right? Top sale, top market share here for the second one, even you have higher price. So again, set the most optimal price. And here we have 2 leading segment, 39, and here we get the top sale here, 29% of market share, and here you get 24. So you can check the price, compare with the price of top selling product to maintain that. So that's the pricing and promotion and sale we can increase here, or you don't if you want, because you see that you will get a very demand recession this round, right? And now we set the very important for the sale forecast. I show you now. We check page 4 for the sale forecast. Here the number, you can use this number. You see the inventory is here increasing. So yeah, round 3 we do not add too much products, right? So we calculate for round 3 using the free software. You can download the free software under this video. So remember to, again I say again, do not copy the number and paste into the game. Use the strategy I'm guiding you, and you understand the meaning behind that, right? The meaning behind that, and then you can adjust to match your game strategy, right? So yeah, I show you how to do. You need to customize that to match your game based on the result of the last round. Do not copy and paste that into your game, because the game may be different from round to round, from student to student, right? We input the sale forecast here. Round 3 always have the market demand recession, so do not add too much Okay, so that's for the marketing decision. And now I show you the decision for the production table number 3. Production very important, right? So we get the sales forecast here, just input, and now we input the production. Remember to input carefully, right? 635, yeah. 40, 2945. You need to buy more capacity for the new product, so we check this here. You need to buy more capacity, but we have the limit budget here, so limit budget here. So for production decision, we set the production plan for the new product. They have very good demand, right? So we buy more capacity for the new product. We increase automation to 7 to 9. You see on the screen, right? 9 and 7. And for the new product, we set 3. So we check the total budget of production to see if we have enough budget for this upgrade plan. We still have some budget, so we buy more capacity, right? We buy 300. Check if you have enough budget. The automation is okay, 40-45, so we can buy 300 at the low end. Low end selling very well. So we use all the budget. That's for production. And now we check the HR decision for route 3. 3,040 hours. 40 hours training is not. So for finance, route 3 still needs lots of funds, right? You will see the sale is much less than our plan. So route 3 we need to be careful, right? Careful with all the budget we can have. Route 3 is very special route. If you watch this, you are lucky, right? And route 4 will be easier, right? So for route 3 we start to have TQM, so we can invest 1,000 for all of that. Or if you want a safety reason, we can use 500. It's okay, right? 500. But 1,000 is okay, right? So make it simple, right? Make it simple, right? And now we check the income, pro forma income. We get very high sales here, good contribution margin and some profit here, but route 3 be careful. Route 3 results not always good like this, so yeah, increase sales and profit, increase sales and increase profit, but route 3 always have a reduction in the total market demand. Yeah, that's quite a simulation, right? So we have the good plan, and from route 4 we get top sale and top profit. Now we check it, see the result. So you can see the result of route 3 on the screen. We have the top sale much higher than competitors. We have 23% of market share. Competitors only 17. The top competitor 17% of market share. But we get negative profit. 1 million is not the problem. It's only 0.5%, right? 0.5% of sales. So that's normal. And yeah, on the company go down a little bit. You see on the stock price, right? But you still have the good stock price. So this is normal, right? Normal. It's normal. Don't worry about that, because you invest round 1, 2, and 3. You can see the result going up very fast here. You see the result going down a little bit in round 1, 2, 3, and then up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So that's the trend of the sales going back after investment in round 1, 2, 3. So don't worry about that, right? Don't worry about that. You can get the top result here after from round 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So we need to invest in route 3. That's the best way we can do to maintain the good sale and some profit here. Good sale, you see 200, and the other competitor get only 150. So most important thing now, the top 10 winning tips for route 1, 2, and 3. 3 is most important route. So remember to check the top winning tips each round. Use industry condition report. Use the free Excel file to calculate IND each round. Update IND. Add new product in round 1, 2, 3. This like we just read it. You can check the other video to see that. If you don't find it, send the email. I will send you the link. And set the prices. Calculate the sales forecast in marketing. Calculate the production schedule automation like you just did. Add new capacity. So lots of things to do in one round. Do not get that. Do not divide that for one student. Increase automation. Use 2 or 3 sources of fund in round 1, 2, and 3. If you have any questions, send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com to get the free support for round 1 and round 2. And remember to own the lesson. This lesson learn the lesson for each round. Understanding the game is as equally important as winning the game. So you know For each round, you know what decision to make each round, what reports to read. Like I just show you, which part of report are more important than others, how to update the product to what's long-term strategy, like we just invest in round 1 to 3, how to set prices, how to calculate the sales forecast and sell inventories. If you know that, you learn 80%, you win 80% of the game. How to set decision for production, how to set HR, finance, and TQM, you win 99% win CapSim 2012@gmail.com if you have any question. And if you need a personal support and more details guide for each round, you can support to set 8 round for you in the top result, and also note for decision for each round, 8 notes for 8 rounds, Q&A anytime 27, and video guide and explanation for decision of each round. Share that you can send the email to win CapSim 2012@gmail.com. So you see the simulation. The most difficult round is round 3 and round 7, right? Round 3 and round 7. You will get top result if you have the right strategy. So thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Check the other videos for the more winning guide and tips at the next round.